What's going on, guys? My name's Kyle. Welcome to Big Money Mindset 2 Rocketfuel channel. In today's video, I'm going to be going over an interview with a NIO owner who has also purchased Tesla vehicles in the past, and I'm going to be going over the key highlights he pointed out in that interview. This video is on YouTube, and I'll attach it at the bottom of the video. Also, we're going to be looking at NIO's potential revenue for 2021 and why it's not as far off from Tesla as we think. Once again, I want to say congratulations to everyone that signed up for the Patreon. The link is in the description. We have over 900 users inside the Patreon, and I go over call option opportunities, and you will see each and every company that I'm buying into as soon as I make the move. And only if you feel this video gives you a better insight on where NIO is headed in the near future, be sure to subscribe to the channel. I'm going to be keeping you updated daily on all the growth stocks and spec plays. There's going to be a lot of great information coming out, and you don't want to miss it. Let's get into the video. Alright, we can see that NIO is hovering around $44.72, about 2.69 increase today, and a 0.11% increase after hours. We are just a couple of weeks away from NIO Day as well as December sales coming out, and I expect a very good record to come out for those December sales right around January 1st or 2nd. So be ready for those numbers to come out for sales volume. I expect it to be a very nice number. As we can see right here, I am playing call options on NIO. I've been purchasing these out a couple of months ago. I saw great upside potential in buying these right around that $20 range. We're up nearly 548%, almost a $10,000 gain. And NIO is still about $10 off its high. So I was up pretty solid, you know, in that $56, $57 range, nearly $17,000 profit. So I am waiting for some great upside potential in the short term. Once again, call options are a very aggressive approach in the stock market, but they do have great upside potential if you pick the right ones. Be sure to check out the link below, read up on the summary. I pick great undervalued options, you know, all the time. I'm going to be buying a few call options in the next couple of weeks, so you can check out the exact moves I make as soon as I make them inside of the Patreon. So there is a video going around about a NIO owner who has purchased Tesla in the past, and he had a one-on-one interview explaining all the fundamental differences and the benefits he liked with NIO, and there was some great information that we saw in that video. You can check it out after you watch this video. So the individual was a very successful man. He owns his own tech company now, and basically he has purchased Audi, Tesla, and Porsche in the previous past. And now he has moved on to NIO, and he's explaining the differences that NIO provides. And the Tesla voice control compared to NIO was not very China friendly. Of course, you know, NIO is made in China. So being that NIO is made in China, of course, they're going to make it more user friendly than Tesla. But you have to understand, Tesla is a competitor in China. This could be a very small attribute to help NIO make up that ground, you know, because Tesla is so far ahead. This could be a very deciding factor in the near short term. He also explained that the local service inside of China is far better with NIO than Tesla. NIO is also a way better family vehicle, much larger, 7-seaters, very smooth. So he did explain that, you know, the Tesla brand was much cooler and more of an old man toy, but there was still some great features along with being a family vehicle with NIO, along with the China user-friendly. And the big thing that the user was very pleased on was the battery service. It's very convenient if you travel. Also, the NIO battery swap, hands down, is light years away from competitors. Batteries never go bad inside the swap station. And as we can see with NIO Finance, more and more headlines are coming out about NIO. This was just yesterday. NIO reached his deal to build 100 EV charging battery swap stations in China. NIO signed a cooperative framework agreement with State Grid Electric Vehicle Service Co. This is in pursuit of making charging and battery swapping facilities fully connected to improve energy supply experience for users and also lower the total ownership of costs of electrical vehicles. As you guys can see here, there's just non-stop deals going on with NIO. The battery swap technology is going to continue to be growing. You never have to worry about your battery's life cycle. You know, the Tesla vehicles, the life cycle on those batteries, you know, over the course of 5 to 7 years, those vehicle batteries are going to, you know, diminish over time. You can always get a fresh battery for your NIO vehicle at any time. The 70 kilowatt battery has been upgraded to a 100 kilowatt battery. good on old existing 2018 models as well. And also we know that NIO is potentially releasing a much larger battery pack in the near future, around NIO Day. So there's a lot of good things ahead, including, multiple vehicles being released into that sedan. This could be a wider range market to different purchasers. The monthly subscription is very flexible for multiple options at affordable prices. He also stated this. NIO is an international company, headquarters in US, Germany, London, global vision. The individual did explain they are setting themselves up for success as a global business, a global vision. They're not just thinking, inside of China. They're thinking global. That's what we're talking about, expansion. This is what you want to be investing in at such an early time frame with a company like NIO. So the numbers between Tesla and NIO right now, of course, do have a large gap. But if we just take a look at the Tesla's 2019 revenue, we know that they delivered 367,500 vehicles, okay? For that year, Tesla's revenue grew to $24.6 billion. Now remember that, $24.6 billion, okay? NIO's last quarter was right around that $660 million range. And the Q1 projection is $1 billion. That's an average of $4 billion in revenue per year. If they grow to $1.5 billion revenue for quarter 2, 2021, that would put them at an average of $6 billion in revenue per year. That's 25% of Tesla's revenue last year. So of course, we're not going to look at the 2020 Tesla revenue because it hasn't completed yet. But we're just thinking speculation right now, but a fourth of Tesla's revenue, a company that massive. This is a company that hit a $2,000 stock price on top of a stock split. This thing is already headed back to $1,000 again. So if NIO continues to gather these uptrends in the short term, there's no telling what could happen 2, 3, 4 years, down the road. They could potentially be hitting these Tesla revenue numbers. And understand, this is not a SPAC stock. This is not a speculation. This company is in the market right now, hitting massive sales records month in and month out. We are now getting, interviews from China individuals on their experience with NIO, because NIO is a much newer company, only 6 years old compared to Tesla of over 20 years. This company is now beginning to get the word out of, the type of growth they have coming in the next 5 years plus. So there is ton of upside. There's massive upside leading up to NIO Day with these new vehicles being released into the market, as well as new battery tech. It is amazing upside potential. And we can tell that just looking in the stock direction, NIO is continually uptrending from that 1 year mark. Is not that bad. We were just at $17 just a couple of months ago with this stock, and we made a jump all the way to that $56 range. Massive banks giving the buy rating, the go ahead. So I just want you guys, to understand that there's a ton of upside potential. I want you guys to take a look at that video. Watch the video for yourself. I will attach the video for you in the link. So there is a lot of upside, and that is a very smart individual. He knows his stuff. He knows cars. He also explained, I didn't even get to tell you guys, the performance on these vehicles are absolutely insane. He's saying that this vehicle is just as fast as a Porsche Cayenne. Those vehicles are nearly double the price, over $100,000. The vehicle pricing for NIO right now is on point, and they do intend to drop it even lower. And then in the short term, once they get better, net income and better margin, they're going to be lowering their vehicle prices from what the CEO was saying. So ton of upside. They're heading in the right direction. They have placed themselves as a global footprint brand. There's just a ton of upside, guys, and I just wanted to bring some small details of potential numbers we could be seeing with NIO in 2021. And also, I've been hearing rumors that they are potentially, going to be hitting that 7,500 mark in January of 2021. So expect a big jump in December. I'm telling you, just a couple of weeks away, we're going to see some nice numbers on those sales. If you made it to the end of the video, I want to say I really do appreciate it. I enjoyed doing this video for you. I want to give you guys as much insight as I can about NIO, and that one-on-one interview is a great detailed video just to give you guys some more clarification and summary about where NIO is headed in the near future. This video has been out for about a week now, and I just had the time to review it, and I did think it was an exceptional detailed video. Be sure to take a look at that video. It's going to give you guys more clarification about the direction NIO is headed in the short term. And only if you feel this video gave you a better insight on NIO. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. I'm going to be keeping you updated daily on all the growth stocks and spec plays. There's going to be a lot of great information coming out, and you don't want to miss it. This is Big Money Mindset. I'm Kyle. You have a great day.